make it easier and easier for myself because most of the stocks that I'm trading I own already. Y'all understand what I'm telling y'all? I made money in Nvidia just now. I'm going to make more money in Nvidia. I made money in Nvidia on the long term. You see how I just now got extra hype? I got extra hype because I'm hype. Don't do that. Don't do that. Options became fun because I'm hood rich. I'm hood rich off a goddamn long term. Options became fun. You can lose 200. I make that easily in dividends. You can lose this stuff. You can lose 5. Your risk is better. Listen to what I'm telling y'all. It's simple.
What's going on, people? I want to explain to y'all something, man, about options and long-term investing and why everybody should be long-term investing, right? Make long-term investing first. Please, please, man, please.
Look, this is not for me. I'm doing it already. I need y'all to do it.
Listen what I'm telling you, right? It's 4 quarters in a year. Okay? Earnings season is always going to come around. Right? You know how people say, yo, I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait to buy. I'm going to wait to buy. I'm going to make a lot of money off options first, and then I'm going to buy into the market. Don't do it like that. I want all traders to listen to me. Please. I like doing the things I like to do. Trust me, I love the opportunity because that's what it is. It's an opportunity for you to do things, for you to change your life. Now, the bad thing about it is you sit there and you wait. You wait. And then some of your favorite stocks that you want to buy is too high now. It's too expensive now. It's like you hit the lick to reinvest the lick and it's too high. So you never invest. A lot of people always say what they're going to do. You give yourself a routine. The reason why I have 13 investment accounts is because I don't like to see big money. When you see big money, it makes you lazy. Most people. So let me explain you how this go, right? I got 13 investment accounts. I have 1 trading account. 1. I just opened up another trading account because I'm dealing with trading alphas and I'm dealing with the zone. We doing the things we like to do and we making the nun get naked, baby. The men making the nun get naked. The women, priests don't get naked. None don't get naked. So understand what we doing. We running it up, baby. We running it up. But I still need y'all to get these long terms going. It's important. It's important. It's what you leave behind. You build up a foundation. You set a legacy. Yeah, you get busy. It's like cutting cards. It's like once you got a system, you can work your system. But you need to be investing. You need to be doing that, period. It's people getting paid off of dividends from years and generation. I'm talking about a generation. Whole generation getting paid off the last generation. You understand what I'm saying? Because of long-term investments. Okay? The average trader lose money. The average trader lose. The average trader put himself in a spin cycle. The average trader is a dog chasing his tail. You trade the opportunity. I make it easier and easier for myself because most of the stocks that I'm trading I own already. Y'all understand what I'm telling y'all? I made money in Nvidia just now. I'm going to make more money in Nvidia. I made money in Nvidia on the long term.
You see how I just now got extra hype? I got extra hype because I'm hype. I'm like that. I made money long term, regardless. Whether it go down, up, I don't give a damn. It pays a dividend. I don't give a damn. In the next 5 years, let's see where it's at. In the next 10 years, let's see where it's at. And most of all the people that's losing money is still going to be sitting there like, damn, I should have been in this company when this company was here. I've been trading it, going in and out, in and out, in and out, and developing an income. It's not like I'm taking the money that I'm making and I'm going to buy houses or I'm going to invest in more stock as I'm making the money. Nah, I'm on some spin cycle, dog chasing his tail type living. Don't do that. Don't do that. Options became fun because I'm hood rich. I'm hood rich off a goddamn long term. Options became fun. You can lose 200. I make that easily in dividends. You can lose this stuff. You can lose 5. Your risk is better. Listen to what I'm telling y'all. It's simple. It's like if you own Uber. You know where it's going. You read the balance sheet. You understand the company. Why not play options in it? Why not make little short-term investments here and there? You already in it long term. I'm just trying to show y'all a trick. You give yourself a routine and you make a nun get naked. You make a priest get naked. I'm sorry, y'all. Please don't block me. It's comedy. But y'all know what I'm talking about. Let's get to it. Everybody should have long-term investment. Everybody should have long-term portfolios. Period. You should be doing that before. I don't care if you got a 401k or IRA. You should be having that before you start options. I'm not saying everybody gonna do bad in options. I'll tell you this though, 90% of them fail. 90% of them fail. So you better get in a game where you're not gonna fall. Look at the time frame. Look at the same chart that you're looking at when you're trading it. Get in it long term. It's money in it long term. I can't even smoke my blunt, but I'm gonna smoke my blunt though. Y'all do the things y'all like to do, man. Bam, lit the Ghetto, man. Just give you a little something on options, baby. Get them long terms going. Ghetto.